My name is Jesse Freeman. I'm the Advanced Technology Specialist here at Foursight Solutions. We're looking at Third Eye Robotics today. We got installed on a 75P John Deere excavator here. And this is the FourCast. So this is the Third Eye Robotics camera. Has AI object detection capabilities. We just have it mag mounted here. That way you can kind of customize it. This wire plugs into the controller here. We got it wired in, but simple as that. It's an aftermarket system. So one of the benefits, it goes on any machine. You can wire it to anything you need. You can add up to 4 cameras on this system. Detects humans, poles, cones, porta potties, vehicles, whatever you need it to. It's one of the benefits of it is that you can train it. If you got a crusher, if you got any sort of equipment, you can add onto the system. That way it keeps adaptive. All right, so now that we're in the cab, this is what it looks like for the operator. This is just a standard Samsung tablet. It has the Third Eye app on it. As you can see here, you can see him in the camera walking around. As he gets a little bit closer, it turns to red, that's the danger zone. When he changes over to blue, that is just the safety radius, something to be aware of, but not necessarily the same level. Because then when you're on a job site, you know, there's a lot of objects around. You don't want every single thing, but you do want people, you do want vehicles, and as they get closer, you want them to detect it. We're just plugged in here, a couple simple wires into power, wired into the fuse box. It's one of the big benefits of it. It's simple to use, easy to install, and can go on any system. So a couple different options here. This is a 2-camera system here. Really easy to operate. You can change your danger radius all the way up to 50 feet. Same with the safety radius. We usually recommend somewhere between 10 to 20 feet, but depending on your situation, you might want it to go all the way up to 50. A couple of our different objects on here that it detects. Let's go down the list. Dumpster, cone, a machine, hydrant, vehicle, person, barrier, pole, manhole, porta potty, a stub, a pipe. So you can turn off something. If, for example, you want to turn off the manholes, you just click it, hit save camera, and it's that simple. Just to show you an example, if we wanted to turn off people, hopefully you wouldn't, but now it's not detecting them anymore. But it is still picking up the dumpsters in the back here. One of the benefits of this system is really simple to use. As you can see here, for an operator, not a ton of options. Keeps it kind of simple. Doesn't control the machine, doesn't auto stop. It just yells at you, beeps at you, notifies you. If you're an administrator, the safety compliance officer, all of this data is being recorded in the cloud. So you'll have records and it'll notify you on near events and close calls. So you have a record and a video to do teaching, coaching, and in a worst case event, if you have an accident, you have an actual video to go back for liability and also, like I said, coaching. So right now, this is what it'll sound like if you are in the cab and you're having a close call. Pretty hard to miss, you know, after a long day running your route. This will wake you up and make sure you're paying attention and let you know if something's happening. As the administrator, you can lock all these features, so that way operators can't just turn it off and then have an accident. This is an American-made product, startup company right here in Denver, Colorado. One of the benefits too of working with them, they're heavily invested. If you call them, they'll answer, they'll be there to help you, so can't put a price on that. This is AI technology, it's always constantly learning. So if you are working on a different site, for example, I mentioned Crusher earlier, that wasn't on our list here. They can add on, or you can add on, any sort of object that you want, and the AI will start learning that and start detecting it. So it could be a crusher or a dirt mound, whatever it might be, anything you come into, it's constantly learning and adapting and getting smarter. So yeah, it's an investment today that'll last you for the foreseeable future. Really, the main people that benefit from this, any operator, anybody that's using heavy equipment. A lot of the systems come already with backup cameras on them. We got one right here that came factory installed, but you don't get your full field of view. It doesn't have the AI object. So anyone focused on safety, sure, and lowers your insurance rates. Also too, just preventative measures. So anyone operating a machine. That's the best part about this. It can go on any machine. It's an aftermarket material, just has a controller, which is the brain, and then you just wire the cameras to it. So like I said, you can do 4 cameras on a system. So you can put it on an excavator, scraper, dozer, whatever you need. Dirt truck, doesn't matter, you can add it onto anything. There are backup cams already installed on the machine, but they're not always the easiest to use, not the best camera. You can see it's a much clearer picture, sound, a lot more features. So really it's a pretty big step up from the standard safety controls that are already factory installed. A lot of people are interested in this. Safety is everyone's probably #1 goal. Can't avoid it, and super important. Everyone wants to get home at the end of the day. Yeah, we've installed quite a few. One of the benefits of it is cost efficient. You can install it on your whole fleet. We've worked with big contractors, small contractors, some with 4 camera systems, some with just 1, depending on your need. It's definitely a growing market. Like I said, it can go on any machine, any type of machine, any brand of machine. We can put it anywhere you want it. Right now we just have it mounted with magnets, so if you want to screw it down, the best part is it's customizable to what you need. I'm Jesse Freeman, the Advanced Technology Specialist at Foursight Solutions. This was Third Eye Robotics AI Object Detection System. Thanks for watching the FourCast.